Hello friends, and welcome to Kiddo's Corral. Just recently I have seen a tag video that was done by Shelly Bailey, and it was about the 5 things that I love about Target. And I thought, you know, that was a really cute video. I have to do this tag video, so I'm going to share with you guys the 5 things that I love about Target. If you guys watch my weekly vlogs, you guys know that very seldom is there a week that I don't go to Target. Sometimes I go to Target more than once a week because I just really honestly just love walking around the store. But as you guys know, the very first thing that you come to when you walk into the store is the Target dollar spot. For the month of February, I purchased 2 mugs from the dollar spot. These were $3 a piece. I thought they were so super adorable. This one says, Cupid is stupid, because you guys know I'm not a real big fan of Valentine's Day. But I did think these mugs were really cute. And this one here kind of looks like those little heart candies with all kinds of little writings on them. They're great size. You can use these all year round just because they're super, super cute. But I will definitely be pulling these out every February. And it seems like the dollar spot is the place to find the cute stuff. I have a lot of little decor items around my home that honestly just came from the decor from the dollar spot, because there's so many things that you can get there. They have flowers. Right now they have all their Easter stuff. So I'm getting geared up next month and going to be hitting the dollar spot for my Easter decor. As I walk on through the store, I always hit the men's section. Yes, that's right. Not because I have 3 sons, but because I actually like to shop the men's section, because the men's section is the place where they have the novelty T-shirts. You guys know that I'm a big T-shirt lover, and you know, I'm picky about my T-shirts. I want them a certain material. I want them to be soft and breathable, but I also want them to reflect my personality, and of course, I'm a huge Guns N' Roses fan. I also have the Metallica T-shirt. I also have one with Mickey Mouse on it. I just think they are so cute. I buy them a size up because I like them really big. So this is a 2X, and I just like them because they do shrink a little bit in the wash. So I always buy them big because I just like them big, especially here in the South. It is so hot here in the summertime, but in the winter I pair these with a big sweater or a jacket, and every time I go out somebody stops me and asks me where I got my T-shirts. But I absolutely love the T-shirts from Target. The next thing I love about Target, and you gotta know that we have a super Target here, and I love to hit their coffee and tea section because they carry a lot of teas that I cannot get in my regular supermarket because they have limited shelf space, and you know, there's like those teas that I wanted to get. I know that I tried to get this one. This is the Gingerly Jasmine Green Tea. This is my newest favorite. You've probably seen it in my weekly vlog. But I went to several stores looking for this, and sure enough, Target Superstore had this, and I'm so glad that I found it. Also too, during the holiday months, I bought a lot of coffee as gifts, a lot of K-cups. I bought K-cups to make hot chocolate. So I love the Target coffee and tea aisle because I can always find something that I'm going to enjoy and that I love. And I think there is something to the fact that the way that everything is displayed. Target is always a really clean, very vibrant store, and it just kind of makes you want to purchase these things. So obviously the coffee area is, and the tea area is where I'd end up, because you guys know I'm a huge coffee drinker and tea. So that is my newest tea. One of my most recent purchases is a dress. And I do want to say that I do like to go clothes shopping. And if you guys know me by now, you guys know that I do like to go clothes shopping. The thing is that not all Targets are created equal. So I have a regular Target here, but then there's also a Super Target. And it seems like when I go to Super Target, they have a bigger selection of women's sizes and women's apparel. Okay, we're not talking about Junior Misses section. We're talking about women's clothing. So I was looking for a dress because Easter is coming, and I always buy me a new dress for Easter, and I'm really finding it hard not to wear this before Easter because I'm really psyched about it. But I couldn't believe that I found a dress at Target this year, but I really think that they have a lot of beautiful styles, colors, and a huge selection, and I have been super impressed by the quality. And this lace dress, and you know, like if I would have purchased this somewhere else, this would have been about $100, but this was only $29.99 from Target. It was so lovely, and I like the fact that you could kind of pick and choose, like the way that it's made, you could pick how big you really wanted to wear it. Like you can wear it where it's more tapered to your body, or you can wear this type of dress where it's loose and more frilly, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pair this with some blue tights and my like nude colored stilettos for Easter, but I love these. I love their dresses. They have a beautiful collection of clothes that is coming out for spring. Is that Target carries brands that Walmart does not and other stores do not. And I love the Method Cleaner. I know that Shelly Bailey shared this as well, and I kind of feel like I'm stealing a little bit from her, but to be honest with you, if you guys watch me all the time, you guys know that I use Method Cleaner all the time, because I love the way it smells, but not only that, but I love the way that it works. Method Cleaner can only be bought at my local Target or like Home Depot or Lowe's. I've yet to see it in any other store here locally, but I absolutely love it. I think you should pay a little bit more for it just because it is an all-natural product. But I do think that I get my money's worth. There's something about when I start cleaning with this, I can't stop cleaning with this. I love it that much. But I just want to share it with you guys. They do have a lot of, like, their cleaning section. They have a lot of candles, home deodorizers, different types of Febreze, things that you wouldn't commonly see like at a Walmart or a supermarket. And so I kind of like to really browse that area, and if I see something new that I want to try, I obviously pick it up. If you guys enjoyed this tag video, I tag anybody and everybody that wants to do this tag video. If you do it, link it down below in the comments so I can watch you. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Kiddos Corral, and please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up for this tag video, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye guys.